Hey, good morning. Today is October 5th. We are going to do some paperwork for my job and also take Karan to an appointment she has, and then we're gonna go to Jay's. They're having an award ceremony. I don't know if I told you guys, but he's up for Sailor of the Year for his hospital, so we're gonna go to that. I think that's around like 11 or noon, so we're gonna go to that as well, and then the rest of our day is pretty free. We need to get ready for the hurricane. They said that it should hit where we are tomorrow, which is Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that, so we're gonna probably just get like a lot of waters, eggs, cheese, milk, and probably like stuff to make sandwiches with, just in case like the power goes out. And we have a cooler, so we'll probably just I'll just start putting the ice in the cooler probably tomorrow and making a bunch of ice, and just in case, I don't know. And I'll probably like freeze one of the waters and freeze one of her milks so that, you know, we'll be okay. But I just wanted to come and say, hey, good morning, you guys. That's what I have going on. I'm back to blogging. I still don't feel 100%. I still need to go to another doctor's appointment just to see like what else could be done, because I still feel super out of breath. I still feel very drained. I don't know how long it's going to take these iron pills to start working for me, but I need them to start working. So I'm getting ready to head out. I didn't do makeup today. I have some in my bag, so after my appointment and Karan's appointment, before we go to Jay's event, I'll probably do something in the car. So if you guys want to see that, I will record that as well. So I'll see you later. Bye.
When's the last time you did that?
Karan, what does the cat say? What does the cat say? Huh? Meow. Karan, what you doing? Girlfriend? What are you doing, woman? What are you doing? Why are you so obsessed with my keys? You're gonna fall. Where you trying to go? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Hello, I what it's for.
They canceled it.
Alright, well, we'll go home then. You want to go in the playroom? Come on, let's go in the playroom. Where you going? No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, you can't go out there. No, you can't go out there. Where you trying to go? Bye-bye. I'm leaving you. Bye-bye. Big girl. Bye-bye. No. I'm leaving. Bye. See you later. Go, big girl. What you gonna do? Go, big girl. What you gonna do?